Greetings, friends. Happy Sunday night to all of you. Democrats and Republicans are ready to get back to work and pass Biden's social spending bill this very week. But lawmakers better hurry. Time is running out, and they need to avoid a government shutdown and raise a debt ceiling. This is today's latest fourth stimulus check news and information. Please, friends, do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Democrats then offered Republicans what the Republican leaders said they've wanted by proposing a simple majority vote, exactly what happened in the early 2000s. And again, Republicans blocked it in favor of default. By now it's clear that despite what they say, Republicans seem intent on seeing the U.S. miss out on its payments for the first time ever. They seem perfectly at ease telling the American people, including our active military, our Social Security recipients, and all those who rely on Medicare, that they are unequivocally the party of default. The Republicans are unequivocally the party of default, and some of them seem to be proud of it. It's hard to believe that one of America's two major parties would be willing to jeopardize our entire economy and irrevocably damage our standing throughout the world, just because they don't like that the party that won the election is following through on its agenda to help American families. But that's what's exactly going on here. Now, to be clear, let's be very clear, tomorrow's vote is simply a cloture vote. It is not a vote to raise the debt ceiling. It's rather a procedural step to let Democrats raise the debt ceiling on our own, just as Republicans have called for. Let me say that again so all my Republican colleagues can hear it and the American people can hear it loud and clear. Tomorrow's vote is simply a cloture.
With the Thanksgiving holiday in the rearview mirror, Congress is once again facing a time crunch to accomplish a number of major legislative priorities before the end of this year. After punting the decisions earlier in the year, lawmakers need to both fund a government past the current December 3rd deadline and raise the debt ceiling before the U.S. defaults on its own debts. Senate Democrats also hope to advance President Biden's $1.9 trillion reconciliation bill, which is the Build Back Better Act, after it passed the House in mid-November. And the chamber also needs to make headway on the National Defense Authorization Act, an annual must-pass policy bill. The NDAA, which is historically bipartisan, may be smooth sailing after Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer agreed this month to decouple it from the U.S. Innovation and Competition Act. But Build Back Better faces an uncertain fate at the hands of moderate Senate Democrats. In its current form, the bill includes lower prescription prices, universal pre-kindergarten, an expanded child tax credit, and 4 weeks of paid family leave, but could still change substantially prior to any final passage. Short-term extensions for government funding and the debt ceiling received bipartisan support this fall, but it's still unclear whether lawmakers can coalesce behind an omnibus spending bill before the December 3rd deadline. Republicans have already signaled that they may not support another increase to the debt ceiling, despite the potentially severe consequences of a U.S. default. Senate Majority Whip Dick Durbin told reporters, "Now it's our turn and we've got to buckle down. We have several things that are critical, including debt ceiling and continuing resolution. It's going to be a very busy December, but we've got to get this job done. So let's go over everything that Congress must get done before December 25th, 2021, and why it's so important, and also why so much of it is still in limbo." At the top of Congress's to-do list is to make sure that the lights stay on past December 3rd. Congress passed a continuing resolution on September 30th to fund the government through the December 3rd deadline and avoid a shutdown, but it's set to expire this coming Friday. And it's looking increasingly unlikely that lawmakers will successfully advance an omnibus spending bill before then. A likely alternative is another continuing resolution, which could fund the government through February or March of 2022, and then give Congress more time to finalize it. Lawmakers could also opt for a stopgap measure, which funds the government until just December 17th, in hopes that the tight schedule will force Congress to come to an agreement about the full appropriations bill, or at least give them some time to make progress on it before passing another stopgap measure. Whatever path they take, Congress will have to get straight to work when members return from Thanksgiving break, which is starting this coming Monday. They will only have 5 days to avert a government shutdown. So friends, do you think that our lawmakers will be able to prevent a government shutdown from occurring this Friday? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the key word for this video is lasagna. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like my videos, and please comment below the keyword from each video. Next on the list is raising the debt ceiling. And according to a November 6th letter from Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen to congressional leaders, the government could reach a debt ceiling by December 15th, at which point she wrote, "There are scenarios in which the Treasury would be left with insufficient remaining resources to continue to finance the operations of the U.S. government beyond this date." In October, Congress voted to increase the debt limit by $480 billion, which gave the Treasury enough funds to keep the government solvent just for a while. But now, with the December 15th deadline fast approaching, it is unclear whether Republicans will play ball with Democrats to avoid potentially catastrophic consequences. The United States has never defaulted on its own debt, although it has come very close. And economists say that to do so would have catastrophic consequences, including potentially reversing the progress of any recovery from this crisis, slashing millions of jobs, increasing borrowing costs for ordinary Americans, and throwing the global economy into turmoil. Well, friends, thank you so much for joining me here this Sunday night. I truly appreciate all of you who are joining me every day to watch my videos. If you would like to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for next Friday, please make sure that you click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Sunday night.